Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a full review tutorial about this streaming video production AI website, which is Runway and Canva. Runway is a website. Runway is an applied AI search company shaping to next era of art, entertainment, and human creative. We build artificial intelligence systems that ushered a new era of creativity, where the best stories are yet to be told. So one of the most popular tools to generate videos on this Runway website is Gen 3 Alpha. So Gen 3 Alpha is an AI AI tool that helps you generate videos in all forms, starting from text, image, and videos to video models. But they also provide a complete in-house creative suite that makes any content you can dream of. So with this website, it creates a mode of creating stories using the most exploring tools for your video. And here are the key features of this website. Key features of the website: you have access to the key features, which is text to video, image to video, and AI magic tools. So as it is stated in their website as well, which is explore our product. Here's our product. Visit our product page. Actually, I'm currently in their product page. So here's a product page and a guide, an example of the kind of product they offer. They offer a Gen 3 Alpha, which is an AI tool that help you generate videos. They also provide a text, image to videos tools. They also provide the video to video tools, action tools, and the promote guide as well. So which help them with a wide creative stories and a content creator can use to make their videos and make their content out of their stories. I'm talking about the Canva. Canva is a stunning video graphics websites that you can use to create a video. It comes with wide range of templates. Right from here, have access to template. Okay, gain access to a different template just to design, to make different type of graphics designs, and also you can make videos from the template. You can make a business template, a social media template, an education template, a video template, a marketing and printing production with a card and invitation. You can also make a lot of things from this website, which makes it a super dynamic website for you to use when it comes to making content of your own. However, it is very important to use this website. So talking about the Canva also they offer a key benefit importance, which is a drag and drop interface. So using Canva, you can use a drag and drag interface and drag the tools from wherever it is located down to wherever you want to use it. So it is so easy to use, and even your grandma could even make use of these cool graphics. We also offer a tons of templates, like it has stated. They offer a ton of templates. Use it. Any template. They offer a tons of templates. Don't start from your scratch. You can just pick ready-made template from the website to design to make your content. They also have access to huge media library. Find photos, videos, and graphics to use in your project. Like I said, want videos, you want an educational content, want marketing content, printing production, and the card invitation just to make your content. You can gain access to that. Also, you have a collaboration tools. You have access to wide range of tools from the website just to make your work more easier. And the pricing list for this website is between it's also paid for most of their services. Yeah, it is a paid server, because before you can get full access to all their services, you have to pay. Canva is also free. You can gain access to the free version of the Canva, but there's a limitation. But at the same time, if you want the most out of the website, you just have to upgrade to Canva Pro. So Canva Pro start at the rate of $6.50 per month on a monthly subscription. So that's it. So here are the pros about the website, which is Canva. So they provide a massive template library, a huge template library, as mentioned, and also provide an appropriate pricing list and a great teams collaboration with a make design accessible. They make design more accessible for you, and awesome, which is super unique. And that's it. So back to the Runway. So Runway is an AI video generation. So Runway takes the lead with its advanced AI video generation capability features like a magic write lets you create a stunning videos. So magic write in the studio makes you create the videos. Also, Canva also offer the AI videos generation features, but it is less sophisticated than Runway. You can generate short clips from the text prompt in the Canva. You can generate a text prompt, but the customization options are more limited in Canva's strengths lies in the user-friendly design tools and a vast library of templates. So now the AI-powered editing tools for both websites is super unique. So for example, talking about the Runway provide a wide range of AI-powered tools, editing tools, AI wide range editing tools with a Magic Studio. Magic Grab allows you to effortlessly remove objects from your videos, and while Magic Switch lets you instantly change the styles of your footage. While in Canva, you can use the basic AI editing tools like background remover and auto erase. However, it is neat that the advanced features found in Runway's Magic Studio features. Canva focus on more providing intuitive editing tools for everyday users. So if you want an intuitive design and an easy use, day-to-day use for your editing work, you can simply use the Canva for that, which is more easier to use. Now talking about easy to use, Runway has a steeper, talking about free access and easy to use. So Runway has a steeper learning curve due to its advanced AI features and focus on the AI video generation. It may take some time to master all the tools and functionalities on the website. But talking about Canva wins hand down. Canva wins hand down because of the intuitive design and the friendly interface of the website, and makes it easy to use, and with the help of the drag and drop interface with an intuitive design, it makes it more accessible to users of all skills level just to use their tools on their website and make it more accessible. But when it comes to this, it might not be like that because of the advanced AI tools that we have on this Runway website. It might take a lot of times just to get familiar with the website, but with this easy and intuitive interface, it's more easier for you to use this. Even with a zero skill level of design, you can still use this website. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section which of these websites you think is the best, which is Runway and Canva. Which of these AI website is the best for your daily use. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.